Hello, Facebook Live. Jamie here. Hope everybody had an awesome week. It is Thursday, and I can't believe we're at the end of September almost already, which is kind of crazy. Where has the time gone? Justin's been gone for college for 4 weeks now. It's kind of nuts and crazy. Hope everybody had an awesome Tuesday and Wednesday. I know Marcus and I did a wine time live on Tuesday. Some of you caught me and Marcus doing that, caught us doing that, so thank you very much for watching. I'll give everybody a minute here to log in. There seems to be a little bit of a delay. Let's see, hopefully people will get on here. Hello, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm a little bit later today. I just got back from a run. So I went for a quick run. I was in the office doing work all day, planning the weekend, doing specials, staff call. We do a team call every Thursday morning. So thanks everybody. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I love to see when people are on. I like to know who's watching me, so thank you everybody. I appreciate that. So I took Tuesday and Wednesday off. Hope you had a nice glass of wine or enjoyed something in your glass. Let me know what you had to drink, anything special this week, any cocktails or anything. Let's see. Hi, Jamie. Looking forward to this margarita. Awesome. It's a fall margarita. I'm not going to give it away yet, what I'm going to be doing. I was looking for something fall-ish. It is definitely fall time. We have an apple cider, hot apple cider on our menu here now. You can have it hot or cold and add a bourbon and local maple syrup. It is an awesome drink, so I really like that drink a lot. I also just put on the menu a hot cocoa, so a chai hot chocolate. It is vegan. It's made with vanilla almond milk, so it is vegan, and you can add vanilla rum to it. I am working on lots of other cool things as well to add on to our drink menu. I'm going to probably get something pumpkin on there soon, and maybe this drink. We'll see how this margarita comes out. This is my fall margarita. But before I get to my drink of the day, we are open tonight. Aroma Time is open. We are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays now. We are open. We have $9.99 burgers to go available this evening. And Marcus and I are going to do a $9.99 special on Sunday night as well. We're going to do our shrimp and mussel curry that we were doing all through the beginning of COVID. The first couple of months before we opened, we were doing a $9.99 special every night. So right now we have Thursday and Sunday, we have a $9.99 special. Our Oktoberfest menu is rolling out tonight. So we have bratwurst, and we have a vegan bratwurst, and we also have a smoked pork porterhouse with sauerkraut coming out. And of course we have lots of beer and things to choose from there. So that is a couple of quick little things. We added a lot of grocery items to our grocery list. For those of you who are making s'mores at home, these cinnamon graham crackers, organic, we added mini marshmallows. So all you have to do is get the chocolate. Our bread alone cookies are back in stock. So we have oatmeal, I have chocolate chip walnut, and I have a chewy chocolate chip. Tarale is added. If you don't know what this is a Italian treat, almost like little biscuits, little crackers that you can munch on. They don't have a lot of flavor, but you can dip them into things. And we added on this awesome green salsa, Hudson Valley green salsa. I can't wait to taste this. It is locally grown, it's organic. It has tomatoes and peppers, onions, garlic, vinegar, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, salt, and black pepper, so super clean. From Hudson Valley Harvest. It is certified. It is certified organic. It's made with vegetables grown in the Hudson Valley. This batch traveled to Kingston, New York, where they were washed, chopped, cooked, strained, and bottled. So we added a bunch of things on to our grocery list. So we are still doing groceries. You can get our list online on our website. You can call ahead, email me, place your grocery order. We have wild salmon, frozen. We have mahi-mahi, we have sablefish, we have halibut, we have tuna, we have shrimp, calamari. So all of those things you can pick up here at Aroma Thyme and take home, put in your freezer and pull out on a night where you want to cook. Let us provide you with the groceries and take them all home. I gotta tell you, we have local honey, agave, local maple syrup, apple cider vinegar. I mean, we have everything to stock your shelves with and your coolers, and we have pancake mix, we have a gluten-free, we have a 7-grain, let's see, we have rice crackers, we have 2 different salsas, we have a red salsa and a green salsa now. We have so much stuff, canarole, rice, we have raisins, walnuts, cacao powder, awesome local pasta, made here locally, local grains in the Hudson Valley, spofellini. Let's see, we have juices, we have rice vinegar, we have ponzu sauce, we have so much stuff. Go check out that list. It's awesome, it's great. Let me get on to my cocktail because we have people coming to pick up food here shortly. The orders are coming in. You can call an order before 5 o'clock, everybody. You can call an order before 5. You don't have to wait until we actually open the doors to call. So our full menu is available tonight. We have $9.99 burgers to go. We are doing indoor seating. We have these cool doors that are separating the tables. We have our booths available. So hello, everybody. Hi, Dave. Hi, Colleen. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Matt. I know there's some more people on. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and Marcus and I are super grateful for each and every one of you. So thank you. So, all right, my fall cocktail. It is a spiced cranberry margarita. So in time for fall, I've already taken some agave, which is our simple syrup, and I put some Young Living cinnamon bark in there, this Vitality cinnamon bark, and I infused it already in the agave. So, ooh, it smells like cinnamon, it's great. So you could make a simple syrup at home, take some cinnamon sticks and boil it with some sugar and water and boil it down and make your own simple syrup. Agave is great. We use agave for all of our simple syrup drinks here at Aroma Thyme. So I am going to fill my shaker up with ice. I am going to start with the traditional margarita recipe. Okay, so the traditional margarita recipe is tequila, triple sec, but we use curacao. So if you've been watching my lives, you know that we use curacao instead of triple sec. Lime juice, which I have to grab out of the cooler. I forgot the lime juice, so I'm going to grab that out of the cooler. Agave, and then a splash of soda at the end. That is the typical margarita mix that we use here at Aroma Thyme. That is the blend. We don't make a mix. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. We make every single margarita to order. You can have it not so sweet. You can have it more sour. You can put sugar on the rim or salt on the rim, whatever you choose to put on the rim. So let me grab the lime juice. I can find it here. I got it. All right. So I am going to add a few squirts of lime juice, so probably about a half an ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of tequila, all right. I'm going to add an ounce of curacao. I am, let's see, going to add some of the cinnamon infused agave. So even if you, sometimes I just decide what I'm making like right before I get on live. So I never take the time to actually plan ahead, but you can put, oh my gosh, it's so cinnamony and great. You can put agave in a jar, put some cinnamon sticks in there, and let it just sit for a while, and that would be really good. You could also probably use like a cinnamon bitters if they make a cinnamon bitters, or a spicy bitters. You could probably put that in there as well. But let's see how this turns out. And I'm going to add a little bit of cranberry juice. So can't forget the cranberry juice. So our cranberry juice is fruit sweetened. It does not have high fructose corn syrup in it. I really love our cinnamon. And you know what? I didn't grab a lime, so let's see. Should I put salt or sugar on my rim of this fall margarita? So it is cinnamon, a cinnamon cranberry margarita. What do you think, sugar or salt? Let's see if anybody's watching. Sugar or salt on this cocktail? Let me know while I'm cutting up my lime. Sugar or salt? I wonder which one I should put on there. So let me know if anybody has an opinion on that. Sugar or salt on the autumn cocktail. You could probably even do a cinnamon and sugar, which is probably what I would do if I was thinking about this, right? Cinnamon, sugar. So you know what? I am actually going to make that because I have decided I'm going to make a cinnamon sugar rim. Let me grab the cinnamon. All right. So I'm just going to take a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. Okay, cinnamon sugar. That's what I'm doing. So a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of sugar. I have the sugar here. And I'm going to just, on the plate, I just have it like that. I'm going to rim my glass with the lime. So I just rim the glass, put some lime juice on the rim, and I roll it around in the cinnamon and the sugar. Wow, wow. I'm going to put a little more sugar on it too. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Sugar. Yeah, brown sugar would be good too. Usually I use coconut sugar, so I don't really keep brown sugar here. I like my margaritas on the rocks, so I am going to put some salt. I'm going to shake up my margarita again and pour it in. Oh, this looks good. And look at that color. Because of our cranberry juice, it kind of makes it look like a fall. All right, sorry about that. When the phone rings here at Aroma Time, you kind of lose me for a minute there. So, wow, that is yummy. Oh, you get that cinnamon, top it off with a cinnamon stick, and there you go. You have a cinnamon cranberry margarita, great for the fall, and that is it. So we are open tonight, $9.99 burgers to go at Aroma Time. Check out our groceries. You can come in, you can grab groceries, wine. We have a lot of cocktail mixers. We have lots of spirits, and our whole grocery store is available for you to purchase from. So hope everybody has an awesome day. Thank you everybody for watching. Try this drink at home. Hopefully you will enjoy it. And I will see everybody tomorrow. Happy Thursday, everybody.